Hi, this is Blen. I'm presenting today about the flow-based scenario project. Let me share my screen. Thank you for giving me this chance. I will just give you a little bit information on the company. The project was done for a small retail business called Contoso. Has two stores located in Minneapolis and Minnesota. The objective is this company is aiming to improve their business process, enhancing customer and employee experience and increase sales. And as part of enhancing employee experience, we were asked to automate their time of approval process. So I choose this scenario because I used to work as an admin assistant, and I can easily relate this process because it was very tiresome. So that's why I choose this scenario based project because I can easily relate to this scenario. So the steps that I followed, I created a leave request form first. Actually, I did many flows because I was having many travels. But the first step I was followed. I created a leave request form. I create a SharePoint list and finally create a Power Automate flow to get data from forms and create list on SharePoint and update status. And just to show a little bit of my screenshot, my flow at first looks like this, and after I run it, this is the outlook looks like at the middle, and the last one is the calendar after the approval was up, the leave approval was approved. The final step looks like this. And let me go and show you I use as I told you earlier, I use two kinds of I started from the scratch by creating a form, and I use the templates based things, and the other one was just I go to the create from the scratch, and I have flaws here, but I will just stick by with this one because I had a problem with the SharePoint problem, so I just want to stick with this one. So this is the first step. When an item is created, this action will be because after an employee fill the form, it has to somebody has to wait for an approval and send the emails has to be sent to the manager, and the last step is there should be condition because there should be outcome which is equal to approve. If it's approved, this will be the next step. We're gonna create an item which is the calendar, or if it's not approved, we got an email. So if I go and show you my Outlook here, I got this email when it's not approved, and when it's rejected. I did several times, so I just want to show you here. I don't want to go in there. And the calendar at last, as here, this is the time off from 13 to 26. So that's how I get the calendar. And after I've done this, I've faced many problems, starting from my trials were expired, and I had to set up again. So when I do that, I lost a lot of things. So I had to because I did first with my I create the form and did with my old trial, but I couldn't find many of the features. I couldn't get my Outlook. I couldn't send email. I couldn't get my email back, and so I had to make a trial and do it again. I mean, until last night, I was doing like many. So that's the challenge that I was facing while I was doing this, and the problem to start to begin with the the objectives. This that I see this flow thing is making the making the company relationship with employee manager relationship make very easy, because as I told you earlier, this because the company might have a lot of employees, so it will be a very complicated process, because at the same time 10 20 people might give the request at the same time, so it might be a problem for the company. So I see it's a very easy process. So this might help the company. I believe, because this will be easy and very conducive for the management environment. And at last, during this challenge, I learned a lot, because when we learn flows, I wasn't comfortable doing flows. Now I'll be, very comfortable to do in any condition. I can do flows. So this project helped me to elevate my, experience on this area. So this is what I learned. This is what I got for today. Thank you.